Thank you very much. So today I'm here as Australia's ambassador to Timor-Leste with Australia's ambassador to Portugal, and we've just met with the foreign minister. We meet quite regularly to discuss mutual areas of cooperation and to advance ideas for working more closely. I'll ask our ambassador to talk briefly about the shared interests in both Portuguese language and working between Portugal and Timor-Leste.
Muito obrigada. It was an honour to meet the Foreign Minister today. It's been a dream of mine for 30 years to come and visit Timor-Leste. So really it is a dream come true. I arrived yesterday. My work in Portugal often involves meeting with Timorese diplomats, Ambassador Isabel, Ambassador Marina, and also one of the things that I'm trying to pursue in Portugal is to seek observership of the CPLP, and I'm working very closely with the Executive Secretary Zacarias da Costa from Timor-Leste to fulfil the requirements for observership. So it's just fantastic to have the opportunity to get to see Timor, to meet Timorese, and that will really help me pursue our own activities in Lisbon.
Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.